Alright, picture this. You're waking up in a world where technology isn't just in your pocket, it's woven into every moment of your day. Instead of being jolted awake by a harsh alarm, you rise to a gentle, glowing light that simulates the sunrise, easing you into the day with calm energy. No more groggy mornings or fumbling for your phone in the dark. Sounds wild, right? But this isn't sci-fi. This is the Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light, a gadget designed to help you wake up naturally. And yes, you can actually buy it right now. It's like bringing a piece of the future into your bedroom. Now let's kick things up a notch. Imagine walking into your living room and controlling every device. Lights, music, even your coffee maker, with just your voice. Or, if you're feeling extra futuristic, maybe even with your thoughts. Enter the Muse 2 headband. This sleek wearable reads your brainwaves and helps you meditate, guiding you to a calmer, more focused state of mind. It's like having a personal meditation coach right on your head. But that's just the beginning. People are already experimenting with this tech to control smart lights, play music, and even interact with computers, all using nothing but their brain signals. The possibilities are expanding every day. It's like having a remote control for your mind, opening up a whole new world of hands-free living and accessibility. Speaking of control, let's talk about the Framework laptop, a device that puts the power of customization right at your fingertips. Ever wish you could upgrade your laptop like a desktop? With Framework, you can swap out RAM, storage, ports, and even the mainboard, all with a simple screwdriver. No tech degree required. It's perfect for tinkerers and anyone who hates planned obsolescence. It's sustainable, it's customizable, and it's honestly the future of personal computing. Imagine never having to buy a whole new laptop just to get better performance or more storage. But I know what you're thinking. What about wearables? The tech you can actually wear every day, blending seamlessly with your style. Check this out, the Aura Ring. It's not just a fitness tracker, it's a tiny, stylish ring that monitors your sleep, heart rate, and activity 24/7. It's so discreet, most people won't even notice you're wearing high tech on your finger. It's like having a health lab on your finger, giving you insights into your body and helping you optimize your daily routine for better health and energy. Now let's get futuristic for a second. Imagine gadgets that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie, but are actually available right now. The DJI Mini 4 Pro drone is literally palm-sized, but it shoots stunning 4K video, tracks your movements automatically, and avoids obstacles on its own. It's like having a flying camera crew in your backpack. Whether you're capturing epic landscapes on your next adventure or just having fun in your backyard, this drone makes aerial photography accessible to everyone. And finally, for all my music lovers, have you seen the Teenage Engineering OP1 synth? It's a game changer for creativity on the go. It's a portable music studio that fits in your backpack. Create beats, sample sounds, and produce tracks anywhere. No bulky gear needed. It's perfect for musicians, producers, or anyone who loves to experiment with sound. Here's the bottom line. Next level tech isn't just for billionaires or sci-fi movies anymore. These gadgets are real, they're accessible, and they're changing the way we live, work, and play. It's out there, it's incredible, and you can actually own it today. The future is literally at your fingertips, waiting for you to take the leap. So which one are you adding to your cart first? Are you going for the smart ring, the modular laptop, or maybe that mind-reading headband? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget, keep chasing that tech storm. The next big thing could be just a click away.